that is a wrap. Thank you guys for staying with us, and please stay tuned to watch the end of the video where we showcase what the lights look like, fully complete. You got to see the night demo, which is what we did to introduce the product to the customer, show them what it's like. Try it before you buy it, if you will. You saw the installation. Stay tuned to watch the end where you get to see it all come together. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, and drop us a comment if you have any questions. Until next time, make sure to follow Paradise Lights, and remember, we make life a little brighter.